We can't get caught in here.
We won't. We ain't got long though. Come here, now.
We're gonna get caught.
No, we're not. We're not. There's no students. Miss, I've got the homework. I need to hand it in now. Miss. No way you guys are fucking. I knew it! Liam.
Oh my god.
Yo, the whole school didn't believe me when I said, nah. Go to, why are you out of lesson? No, you know the two teachers everyone thinks are doing a thing? It's actually true. Like, right, Liam, listen, please don't tell anyone, please. School.
Calm down.
I'm not calming down. I am not calming down.
Just calm down.